Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So you've been a YouTube content creator for a while now. You've created a lot of videos, but you're not making money. So now what? So this is a common situation for basically 99% of people who actually get on YouTube, where they don't make enough money to actually make this their main thing. And I think for most people, they want to do YouTube as their main source of income. So what the options do you actually have at this point? Well, the reality is for most people, you're going to have some type of other income coming in besides YouTube, whether that's a job, a business, or whatever side gigs that you have. That's really the simple answer, and I think most people know that. But what is the approach that I take on doing this? Well, for me, obviously, YouTube isn't the main thing that I use to make money. So in the meantime, as I'm growing this channel, my main other sources of income are actually related to what I'm doing. So let me explain to you what that means. So I've always wanted to work on the internet. And so I actually had to learn the skills, gain experience, and now I work on the internet. But the great thing is that's related to YouTube because that's all on the internet. And at the same time, I'm learning a lot of skills that could be applied to pretty much everything on the internet. So if you aren't going to be doing something else to help grow your channel because you do love doing YouTube, then I highly recommend that you look for something that is in a similar field and then learn the skills and gain experience to do that. So that way you can enjoy what you're doing, whether it is YouTube or whether it's your other things. And at the same time, it just makes things a lot easier. Because if you are working in an environment or you're doing a job or whatever it is that you don't enjoy, and then you try to do YouTube at the same time, it's going to be really demotivating for most people. And then you're probably going to stop creating videos. Or maybe you might lose your source of income, whatever the case might be. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at GeekOutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below. And so that is it for my thoughts on what you can do if you are in this situation where you want to continue doing YouTube, but at the same time, you don't want to go broke and homeless. And so if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you did want to see my entire YouTube journey, I will leave that description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Go Content Creators group, where you'll get access to additional videos and content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Go Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.